electric vehicles, and this is Pawan Kumar. Now I'm here at EV Expo, which is happening at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi, and currently I'm here at the stall of eAshwa Automotives. Now Mr. Vikas ji is with us, and he's the honorable CEO of this company. Hello sir, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
And thank you very much for inviting us here. I just want to know, I'm very curious to ask what kind of products that you are offering to the customers.
Okay. See, we have 15 products in the two-wheeler category.
Okay.
And 12 products in the three-wheeler category. Whatever product you can think of, we make those kind of products in both the categories.
So it's up to customer choice. What kind of modification they want, you will do that, right?
No, not the modification, but whatever models they could have think of, we have those products in our product category.
Right, okay. It comes in the bike segment, right? And it looks very interesting. Could you please tell all the details about this?
Okay, so this bike is a CEO bike.
CEO bike. Aapka bike?
Its name is CEO.
Okay.
So this bike is called CEO, and it is for a elite class. People who like power, who like thrill, those kind of people can use this bike.
Okay.
It has a motor wattage of 3000 watt motor.
3000.
And it has a battery chemistry of NMC, which is 72 volt and 30 Ah.
Okay.
In one single charge, it can run up to 100 kilometers.
100 kilometers. So how much time it will take to charge this bike?
Okay, so the battery, when it is lithium battery, it takes about 3 to 4 hours to get fully charged.
Okay.
And if it is a lead acid battery, it takes about 8 to 9 hours to get fully charged. In this case, it is a lithium battery, so it will take about 4 hours to get fully charged.
Right, okay. So what is the ex-showroom price of this vehicle?
So this vehicle is available at a ex-showroom price of 1.2 lakh.
1.2 lakh. So this is the ex-showroom of Delhi.
Yeah, it is ex-showroom. We sell product at the same price all over the country.
Okay. So where your company you are located?
Okay, so we have our main plant located in Ghaziabad, and we have 25 other units located at various parts of the country.
So, okay.
In whichever state you can think of, we have a unit.
So you said this is the first model, and you already said like 50 models, other models also.
Yeah, so all these scooties and there are many more scooties which are available in our goods.
So like you're making these kind of scooties and bikes for various kind of people. Like
Yeah,
someone wants bikes, someone wants scooties and all, right?
So when we decided to venture into this particular segment, we thought that we'll cater the mass requirement. And since mass requirement can be catered with the availability of vehicle in every type and every category, so we decided to have more and more type of vehicles available within our portfolio.
Okay.
And that is the only reason that we are the only company having 15 types of two-wheeler available in it.
Right, okay. In these 15 types of models, which one do you like most?
Okay, so I like this bike the most,
CEO.
and its name is CEO.
Okay.
We have another product called Rocket 100, and that Rocket 100 is a very good-looking vehicle, and I again like that vehicle as well.
Are your products Indian made?
Okay, so if I say it is 100% Indian made, I think I will give a false statement. Nobody in the two-wheeler segment is making a 100% Indian made product.
Okay.
We import certain components and we source certain components from India, and then the mix of the two becomes a product which we are selling.
Oh. Okay, coming to this bike, so what are the warranty terms and conditions for it?
Okay, so we offer 1 year of warranty from the company side, and
Only 1 year?
Yeah, so we offer 1 year warranty from the company side, and we have taken a comprehensive insurance policy which takes care of 1 year extended warranty for the vehicle.
So do you charge for that extended warranty?
No, it is built into the pricing of the product.
Right. And do you have any options for youngsters like who want to purchase that in EMIs?
Yes, so we have finance option available from various banks and financial institutions, and anybody who is willing to buy a bike or a scooty or any of our product can go for the financing option.
And what about services? Like what kind of services that you are offering to the customers?
So we have a dedicated service network available within the company. We have a team which is situated at various of our operational units.
Okay.
And that team caters the service requirement of the end customer.
Right, okay. And what are the features that you have included in this bike?
Okay, so if we are talking about the features of this bike, it has all features which is available in the electric vehicle.
Okay.
Like it has reverse gear, it has 3 mode of operations, 1, 2, 3, whereby the speed is controlled. It has USB port, keyless entry. there are any kind of features which you could have think of, which is available in any of the bikes, is available in this
Right,
bike.
okay. You said 3 modes are there for this vehicle, right? In each mode, how much range it will go and like how
Okay,
much?
so in the
top
first
speed will
mode, it will run only at a 25 kilometer an hour. If we go to the second mode, it can run up to 45 kilometers, and beyond that, you will have to run it in the third mode.
be? So to get maximum range, we need to go in eco mode only, right?
If you are talking about the mileage, then you will have to run it in the first mode.
Okay.
If you are talking about speed and thrill, you will have to run it in the third mode.
Like actually, many other players are there in this EV industry, right? So what's so special about your product, and how you're going to make it change when compared to them?
Okay, I tell you. See, this industry, although it is called a product industry, but actually this industry is dominated only if you are able to provide the services, spare parts and all other things. Why Maruti has been ruling the automobile industry for so many years? Because the service network is so good that people are not afraid of traveling to any part of the country because of the availability of service network. So we follow the same principle. We have set up service centers as well as assembly line at various parts of the country, and we intend to provide service at the fastest pace and to the satisfaction of the customer.
So that means there will be no problem for servicing also.
Absolutely no.
Okay. So thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your time and valuable information, and I wish you all the very success ahead.
Thank you so much.
So, and that's all for now, guys. That's all about eAshwa Automotives. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and family members. For more such videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications whenever we upload the videos. Go green.
Go electric.